SI units. SI units. Mass is measured in kg. Length is measured in meters. Time is measured in seconds. Luminous temperature is measured in Kelvin. Luminous intensity, candela, CD. Electric current is measured in ampere. Will be using the symbol A. Amount of substance is in mole.
Sir, units and dimensions or errors in measurement same chapter है?
Both are not, but we put it in the booklet in the same chapter because both are small chapters. Right? Am I expected to remember all 7 SI units? Obviously, yes. What kind of questions are being asked? We'll discuss. I need the book.
Done, sir.
So there were 7, right?
How many did you write?
I forgot one. Sorry.
One second. Now, validity of an equation V is equal to U plus 80, which you people are by now well versed with. How do you write the dimensional formula of velocity, length per unit time? Or first, let us write the dimensional formulas of all the quantities that we know. How do you put it as a dimensional quantity? One second. Dimensional quantities may we will summarize all the dimensional formulae in one go. Quite a few of them will be used in different ways in the examination. That's the basic structure for this question. There are only 3 types of questions asked. Right? For example, first point, area will be L to the power 2, M to the power 0, T to the power 0. Velocity L to the power 1, M to the power 0, T to the power -1. Acceleration L t to the power minus 2. Technically L to the power 1, m to the power 0, t to the power minus 2. Colloquially you write it this way, right? Displacement will be L. Force m L t to the power minus 2. Pressure, force per unit area, m L t to the power minus 2 by area will be L square, m to the power 1, L to the power minus 1, t to the power minus 2. Stress, force per unit area, m to the power 1, L to the power minus 1, t to the power minus 2. Strain, delta L by L, L to the power 0, m to the power 0, t to the power 0, no dimension. Momentum, mass into velocity, m to the power 1, L t to the power minus 1. 9. Impulse is nothing but momentum, m to the power 1, L to the power 1, t to the power minus 1. Right? I'm running short of space. First to take it down till here. I would prefer 10th one to be kinetic energy, potential energy, work done. All will have the same dimensions. Force dot displacement. Force you know, m L t to the power minus 2, m to the power 1, L to the power 2, t to the power minus 2. Something very silly, but important. We'll need it for the problems that we will discuss now. 11th, define even power. Power is work done per unit time. Work done is M. All three will have the same units. M1, L to the power 2, t to the power minus 2 by t. This is M1, L to the power 2, t to the power minus 3.
Done, sir.
This typing feels like gone 2 years back. Now few quantities I will write, you will tell me the dimensional formula. Firstly, moment of inertia. Write the dimensional formula of moment of inertia. लिखा है? कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है, सो रहे सबके सब. Moment of inertia.
ml2
Mass into r square, m to the power 1, l to the power 2, t to the power 0. All of you, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Dimensional formula for torque. R cross F.
ml2 t
Yes,
minus
sir.
2.
L
Two
and
minus
force
2.
is mass into acceleration. M L t to the power minus 2.
L to the power 2, right?
Yes, sir. L to the power 2.
Torque. L M L t to the power minus 2. M to the power 1, L to the power 2, t to the power minus 2. Angular momentum. Angular momentum R cross P, L to the power 1, momentum M, L t to the power minus 1, M to the power 1, L to the power 2, t to the power minus 2. Frequency 1 by time period, L to the power 0, M to the power 0, t to the power minus 1. Planck's constant E equal to h mu. H is equal to energy by mu. Energy we already calculated. Energy का dimensional formula बोलो.
M to the power 1, L to the power 2, T to the power minus 3.
T to the power
Minus 3.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Minus 2 overall.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Right click.
Minus 2.
Power का minus 3. Sorry.
Frequency 1 by T. So this will become M L square T to the power minus 1. Planck's constant, verify if I have done it correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Planck's constant will need it more than one place. Remember this. I forgot the sequence. What number is this?
12. No, 13. 12 was I.
13, 14, 15, 16. I think 12 was moment of inertia.
Yes, sir.
Moment of inertia. Mk square. L to the L square m to the power 1 t to the power 0. Surface tension. Surface tension.
L to the power 1, M to power 1, T to the power minus 2.
Right, force per unit length. M L t to the power minus 2 by L. M L to the power 0 t to the power minus 2. Surface tension.
So the surface tension is a force, right?
Force per unit length. Surface tension is force per unit length. So 18, you will tell me electric field. 19, potential. 20th, dipole moment. Dipole moment. Dimensional formula of all the three. Electric field, potential, and dipole moment.
So 1 minute. 1 minute.
Left part of the board.
So 1 minute.
So potential gravitational ke electric no?
Electric potential. Electric potential.
Done, sir.
Electric field. First of all, charge का calculate करना. I is equal to Q by T. Charge is ampere time. Fundamental unit is current, not charge. Fundamental unit is current, not charge. Right? Now electric field is force per unit charge. Force is M L T to the power minus 2 A T M to the power 1 L to the power 1 A to the power minus 1 T to the power minus 3 is for electric field. Potential work done per unit charge. Work done is force dot displacement. M L T to the power minus 2 is force displacement by AT. M to the power 1, L to the power 2, A to the power minus 1, T to the power minus 3. Now, just to play cheap tricks, JEE mains people every year ask one question. They ask for stopping potential in photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect में stopping potential. Potential ही तो है. They are using words and confusing the kids. That's all. Electric dipole moment P is Q into length. Charge is ampere time L. Ampere into time into L. Find out the dimensional formula of epsilon naught. Dimensional formula of epsilon naught.
Sir,
Done, sir.
M minus 1 A2 T4 L minus 3.
Epsilon naught. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. This is M L T to the power minus 2 into L square. Right? Have a look at it. No, first let me write it this way. It will become easy. Epsilon naught is Q square by 4 pi F into R square. 4 pi is an angle. Angle and solid angle don't have dimensions. Angle and solid angle don't have dimensions. Theta is sector formula by R. Length by length, no dimensions. Solid angle is area by R square, no dimensions. So 4 pi will not have any dimensions. This is ampere T square. M L T to the power minus 2 L square. So M to the power minus 1, L to the power minus 3, A square T to the power 4 is epsilon naught. See if you are convinced.
Sir, can you just tell dipole moment one more time?
Pardon?
Can you just tell dipole moment once more?
Q into length, charge into length. Charge is ampere time. L.
Right, sir, understood.
Now we'll derive a formula called C is 1 by root mu naught epsilon naught. This will be derived. This is speed of light. What is epsilon naught? Absolute permittivity. Mu naught is absolute permeability. Absolute permeability. Absolute permeability. Just as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant in electrostatics, mu naught by 4 pi is a constant in magnetostatics. Mu naught is permeability. Epsilon naught tells me how good a dielectric material the material is. Mu naught will tell me how good a paramagnetic material the material is. Right? Now, can you find out the dimensional formula of mu naught? C square is equal to 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. Mu naught is 1 by C square epsilon naught. C is speed of light. L by T. Epsilon naught you found out. Can you find out mu naught? Make it fast.
Done, sir.
Yes.
This will be derived in electromagnetic theory, EM waves. C is 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. Last chapter in magnetism.
Sir, ml a2 power minus 2 t to the power minus 2.
I actually don't have that with me. Whatever you get is the answer. No, listen. How do you verify dimensionally V is equal to U plus 8? What is V? L t to the power minus 1. L t to the power minus 1. L t to the power minus t into minus 2 into t. This also turns out to be L t to the power minus 1. This is called verifying an equation dimensionally. Right? Every equation that we know should be dimensionally valid. Sometimes students complain Sn is U plus n minus half into A. Sn is U plus n minus half into A. Displacement in the nth second. Students say this is L t to the power minus 1. This is time. T L t to the power minus 2. This turns out to be L t to the power minus 1.
Then
This is giving me displacement, and hence dimensionally this is not valid. They are wrong. This is displacement in the nth second, L by T, L t to the power minus 1. Even this equation is dimensionally valid. There will be no equation which will not be dimensionally valid. We are looking at it the wrong way. This is displacement in nth second per unit time. Now, trigonometric functions and log functions will not have dimensions. Why sine theta is length by length, cos theta is length by length, Tan theta is length by length. So trigonometric functions will not have dimensions. And log functions, and trigo functions will have no dimensions. Show us an example in physics. Tan theta is v square by rg. ये formula कभी देखा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you tell me tan theta doesn't have dimensions. That happens only if the numerator and denominator have the same dimensions. L t to the power minus 1 whole square. This will be L. Acceleration L t to the power minus 2. L square t to the power minus 2. L square t to the power minus 2. Numerator and denominator has the same dimensions. So tan theta doesn't have dimensions. Right?
The SN1 we could have also done na, that u in unit time, so u into 1 t, like that.
U is initial velocity. U unit time put amount. Alpha is equal to f v square by beta square log to the base e 2 pi beta by v square, where f stands for force, v stands for velocity. Find the dimensional formula of alpha and beta. Find dimensions of alpha and beta. Will you try?
Yes, sir. So this type of question comes from this chapter.
This is a JEE question. Very advanced.
That's
Done, sir.
Because the log function should not have dimensions, beta and v square should have the same dimension. Why? Because 2 pi will not have a dimension. So beta and v square have same dimensions. Next step is easy for you. V square ka dimension formula you know. Now once you know beta, f of v square by beta square is the dimensional formula for alpha. So
Yes.
beta's dimensional formula is L square L to the power 2 t to the power minus 2. Now alpha is force m L t to the power minus 2. Velocity square. A velocity square in beta square dimension? No. Beta and v square are the same dimensions. So I'll be left with one beta in the denominator. b square and beta have the same dimensions. So one will get cancelled out and left with 1 beta, L square t to the power minus 2. This will be m to the power 1, L to the power minus 3, t to the power 0.
-1. Sir, -1 L to the power -1.
Minus 1, t to the power 0. Did I do the simplification correct?
Yes, sir.
पता नहीं मेरे नोट्स में +1 लिखा हुआ है, कहीं गलती तो नहीं की है मैंने?
Sir, it should be L minus 2 T 2 plus.
हाँ पे
It's reciprocal, right? Of V square. So T will have n plus, right?
Sir, it's correct, I think.
हाँ sir.
Correct.
Okay, sir, my bad.
Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Two 2020 September JEE Mains. Question is like this. B stands for speed, A stands for area, F stands for force. Chosen as fundamental units. Chosen as fundamental units. Fundamental units. Find the dimensional formula of Young's modulus. Find the dimensional formula of Young's modulus. There are 3 questions asked in September 2020. Solve the first. I will tell you the second and the third. Let me open this online paper because I don't have the second and the third.
Done.
One second.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
One second, I'm opening up the JEE September paper so that I have the other 2 questions. Yeah, technically, what are we supposed to do here? Write Young's modulus as f to the power x, a to the power y, b to the power z. Anything that you want to take. Substitute the actual dimensional formula of Young's modulus. Young's modulus dimensional formula we already wrote. Could you tell me how much is that? Young's modulus is stress by strain, right?
Basically, the units of stress.
Yes, sir.
Stress, force per unit area. So M L T to the power minus 2 by L square. This will be m to the power 1.
So no, direct you can write fa into minus 1. No?
So f a into -1.
So because you already got f by a.
Okay, right. Okay, I'll do it traditionally once so that here it is coinciding, but let's do it traditionally once. M to the power 1, L to the power -1, T to the power -2. Is my calculation clear, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Now right hand side, what should I do? 4 saves M, L, T to the power -1 to the power x, L squared to the power y, L T to the power -1 to the power z. So m to the power 1, L to the power -1, T to the power -2. This is m to the power x, L to the power x plus 2y plus z, T to the power -x minus z. So x is 1, x plus 2y plus z is equal to -1, minus x minus z is -2. Orthodoxly, this is what you should do if every step carried marks. 1989, I remember having learned this thoroughly. Those days also JEE Advanced used to give this question this way. 1989, I am telling you. And those days every step carried marks. So here you people are playing it smart because it's objective. Why? Because Young's modulus is force per unit area. Yeah, F&D area आ गया आपको direct. But for us, we had to write every step. Every step carried marks. जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन. There was joy in preparing for JEE. Whatever you people say, these 2 years and the next 4 years, whichever IT campus you people spend, will be the golden moments of your life. Nothing before and nothing after will substitute this part. People who went into IT campus during the COVID time are the most unluckiest people. They missed part of the campus life.
Just hope that we are not one of them.
I would rather say that you people are just lucky. Let us assume you people will be vaccinated by the end of this year, and next year you will start a normal campus life. Right? घर में बैठ के आईआईटी करने का क्या मतलब है? ना करने के बराबर. Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Now, momentum is P 2020 September JEE Mains. Momentum is P. They gave you area as A, time as T. Right? Then dimensional formula. These are the fundamental units. These are fundamental units. Assume these are to be fundamental units. Energy का dimension पूछ रहा है आपसे. करोगे या मैं करूं?
करेंगे.
For uniformity, I'll tell you one thing. Energy, I will take P to the power x, A to the power y, T to the power z. If somebody can take P to the power z, A to the power y, T to the power x, we have no issue with that. Just for uniformity in the class, we said we'll do it.
Done.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
energy का formula was ml t to the power minus 2. This was energy का dimensional formula, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now this should be m mass into velocity L t to the power minus 1 to the power x L square to the power y t to the power z. This will be m to the power x L to the power x plus 2y t to the power minus x plus z. M to the power 1 L to the power 2 t to the power minus 2. So x is 1. X plus 2y is equal to 2. Minus x plus z is minus 2. Minus x plus z is minus 2. Solve for x, y and z. That's your answer.
So is there a shortcut method for this?
Pardon?
Is there any other shortcut method for this?
नहीं, इसके लिए शॉर्टकट की क्या जरूरत है यार? x का वैल्यू 1, substitute it here, directly you get y and z. Your answer will be this. How much are you getting? X is 1. Y, how much are you getting?
1.
1.
X is
0.
1.
Half.
Half. Y is half.
1 by 2.
0, 1. X I substitute 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 by the grace of God. Divided by 2, it's half. Z equal to
Minus 1.
minus 1. So what will my answer be? P to the power 1, A to the power minus half, T to the power minus 1
Half.
Sir, plus half.
plus half. Okay. Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
No. Listen to the question. Solar constant 2020 September. Another paper. In September, there were 4 papers conducted by JEE Mains. Right? Different batches. Solar constant is defined as, this is given in the question. Solar constant, amount of solar energy received on the Earth's surface per unit area per unit time. Solar energy received on the Earth's surface per unit area per unit time. This is the statement given in the question. They are asking the dimensional formula of solar constant. Quick. Dimensional formula for solar constant 2020 September.
Done, sir.
Energy is m L square t to the power minus 2. L square t. This is m to the power 1 L to the power 0 t to the power minus 3. Now this was one tricky one asked. By the way, heat and thermodynamics हुआ है आपका?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thermal conductivity का dimension they asked. JEE Advanced. Thermal conductivity of dimensional formula. Heat current is K into T2 minus T1 divided by L by K. Heat current. This is quantity of heat per unit time. Right? K will be here. Ka. Now thermal conductivity is Q by time. I'll write time so that you don't mess up with this. Q by time into L by A into T2 minus T1 is temperature difference, delta. This is time, this is temperature difference. Length, area, Q is heat. थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला जेई एडवांस।
Done, sir.
m to the power 1
L to the power 0.
l to the power 1
L.
t to the power minus 3 k to the power minus 1. Verify if you are getting this answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
JEE Advanced 2014. They gave a match the column. Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant. Coefficient of viscosity. Planck's constant. Thermal conductivity. This is A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, M, L square T to the power minus 1, M, L to the power minus 1, T to the power minus 1, M, L, T to the power minus 3, K to the power minus 1, M, L square T to the power minus 2, K to the power minus 1. Match the column. I will give you no help for this. इसमें आधा तो हम लोगों ने सॉल्व ही कर दिया, प्लैंक्स कांस्टेंट एंड थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी।
Done.
For Boltzmann constant, I use the formula kinetic energy is 3 by 2 kT. 3 by 2 doesn't have a dimension. Kinetic energy का dimensional formula पता है मुझे. Temperature. Right. What will I get for Boltzmann constant? M to the power 1, L to the power 2, T to the power minus 2, K to the power minus 1. Did you people get the same for Boltzmann constant? Please
Yes,
verify.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Viscosity F is equal to 6 pi eta RV, Stokes theorem. Viscosity is F divided by 6 pi RV. R is radius, V is velocity. 6 pi will not have dimension. Force in the numerator. अब बाकी दोनों का तो कर लिया already.
Sir, P option should be MLT raised to minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Which one?
P.
P.
P for Punjab.
Yes, sir.
L to the power 2 ही तो लिखा है ना यार.
-2 होना चाहिए.
तब तो
नहीं
question
सर,
में
L होना चाहिए, L raised to power 1 होना चाहिए.
फिर से बोलो.
L to the power 1 होना चाहिए.
Are you sure?
No, I don't want.
नहीं सर,
नहीं सर,
तो
एल्सवेयर
मुझे
ही
भी नो नो
नहीं होगा पहले.
Can I rub the board?
यस सर.
So just a minute. Yes, sir.
Now listen. JEE mains में they're telling you x is equal to I f v square by W L to the power 4. Right? I stands for moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. Nothing difficult in this question, but it'll consume time. See what they have done. F stands for force. V stands for velocity. W stands for work done. L stands for length. तो क्या चाहते हो यार? Dimensional formula of x is the same as 4 options. Planck's constant, force constant, third option, coefficient of viscosity, fourth option, energy density. क्या करवा रहे हो यार? इसका भी डायमेंशन सॉल्व करो, इन चार का भी सॉल्व करो एंड टेल मी व्हिच इज कोइंसिडेंट. राइट? गंदा है, मतलब नॉट डिफिकल्ट. Keep such type of problems in the last. Now, though I derived Planck's constant formula, I'll not remember. तो फिर से करना पड़ेगा. Coefficient of viscosity derive किया है तूने अभी. Do you memorize that? कितने सारे memorize कर? तो करना ही पड़ेगा. इसके भी सॉल्व करना है, उसके भी सॉल्व करना है. And tell me the answer. I'm waiting for you. Till then, my tea will be over. JEE mains का क्वेश्चन है.
Done, sir.
Could you check the chart?
नहीं, स्क्रीन पर मेरा क्वेश्चन पेपर है जेई का. Hey, some are typing B, some are typing D. एक सेकंड, आंसर देखता हूँ. Previous years.
The host or co-host?
अरे
Host or co-host?
कुछ भी चलेगा. वो होस्ट मत टाइप करना, होस्ट ही टाइप. Answer given is energy density.
Yes.
Done.
All of you got energy density.
Yes, sir.
Now, one more formula that they have been frequently playing with is half epsilon naught E square का dimensional formula. Half epsilon naught E square is equal to what?
Energy per unit.
Energy density.
Energy density. This दो बार JEE advanced में पूछा हुआ है, एक बार JEE mains में पूछा हुआ है. Right? You don't need to simplify all of this. Energy per unit volume. Energy per unit volume. Energy is M L P to the power L to the power L cube. So this is M L to the power minus 1 P to the power minus 2. Now listen, the second thing that they have been playing with, they have been asking for B square by 2 mu naught. B is magnetic field. अरे define नहीं हुआ ना यार अभी हमें magnetic field. We will derive this just as electrostatics में energy density is half epsilon naught E square. Magnetostatics में energy density is B square by 2 mu naught. Just as you derive this, we will be deriving this as well. So if this is energy density, dimensional formula will be the same, right? Are you people there? Disconnect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now listen. Capacitance का definition पता है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Dimensional formula of stopping potential पूछे यार. Potential and stopping potential is the same. In photoelectric effect, unnecessary to confuse the students. But हाँ, They played one more good trick here. एक और question on stopping potential 2019 JEE Mains. Have a look at this. Dimensions of stopping potential in photoelectric effect in units of Planck's constancy. Dimensions of V naught. V naught is stopping potential. Stopping potential in terms of H, C, G, E. What do these stand for? H stands for Planck's constant. C stands for,
Speed of light.
G stands for,
Gravitational constant.
A stands for
Area.
ampere.
Hmm.
A stands for ampere. H stands for Planck's constant. Right? They ask dimensions of stopping potential in terms of these four fundamental quantities. Dimensions of stopping potential in terms of these four fundamental quantities. Right? You have 1 minute to solve.
Sir, what have you considered as C?
Speed of light.
Okay.
Ten, sir.
In terms of stopping potential, you want in terms of this. Write the dimensional formula of potential. What is the dimensional formula of potential?
ml square e to the power -1 t to the power -3.
T to the power -1,
A to the power -1 t to the power -3.
A to the power -1, T to the power -3. Now, Planck's constant. Tell me the dimensional formula.
ml t to the power -1.
To the power x. Speed of light L T to the power -1,
ml square. Sorry.
ml square here.
Yes, sir.
Now, capital G will be F R square by M square is capital G. So this will be M L T to the power -2L square by M square. Right? So M to the power -1 L cube T to the power -2 to the power Z. Ampere to the power 1. Isn't it?
Sir,
To the power call it as some variable x, y, z. x, y, z के बाद क्या alphabet है?
स्मॉल जी का कैपिटल जी का अलग होगा ना?
कैपिटल G का गलत है.
So capital G I wrote as 1 upon epsilon naught का dimension.
That's correct.
That will also
What
do.
you have written.
Okay, this one, I use the formula of F is equal to G M1 M2 by R.
So I put G is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught.
ये क्या है? क्यों?
So वो electrostatics में we do that only ना, to convert between gravitation and electrostatics. G as 1 upon
So,
4 pi
but in
epsilon.
that there is q square here, m square. No?
हाँ, that will depend
Oh,
on
yes.
the quantity.
Understood, sir.
Now here, Z के बाद एक और alphabet बोलो ना यार.
W.
R.
A.
Call it as R. Now equate M to the power X to the power minus Z. L to the power 2x plus y plus 3z. E to the power minus x minus y minus 2z. A to the power r. A to the power r directly I'll get minus 1. This I will equate it to minus 3. 2 I will equate it to this x minus z I will equate it to 1. Now this is the entrance part of it. Right? JEE mains, JEE advanced, these are the questions that they're asking. Same thing, they're adding this side, that side, old wine in new bottle, so on. Right? Now your HSC part of the syllabus. Did you attend your HSC classes for units and dimension?
None till now.
पता है. Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
अब सुनो. Measurement of a physical quantity n into u will be constant. N is the number, u is the dimension. Suppose you are converting SI into CGS or CGS into SI. 1 units में you will have N1, M1 to the power A, L1 to the power B, T1 to the power C. Other units में another unit or other unit, that may be SI unit, CGS unit, however it is. They'll ask you the conversion. N2, right? M1, M2 to the power A, L2 to the power B, T2 to the power C. Equate both of them, you will get the value. Take an example and explain this to me. You will have to write every step there. I want to convert Newton into dynes. 1 Newton is how many dynes? Right? So first of all, I'll write SI units here. This side I'll write SI units. M1 is 1 kg. L1 is 1 meter. T1 is 1 second. CGS units, M2 is 1 gram. L2 is 1 centimeter. T2 is 1 second. Sounds good? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
N2, I'm calculating N2 is equal to N1. I equated both. M2 will come to the denominator here. M1 by M2 to the power A. L1 by L2 to the power B. T1 by T2 to the power C. See if you're convinced. You equated both of them. You're finding out N2. You know N1. What is N1? N1 is 1 Newton. N1 is 1 Newton. You are finding out 1 Newton is how many dynes? As simple as it. So you are finding out N2. Right? So this will be 1. M1 is 1 kg, 10 to the power 3 grams upon M2 is 1 gram to the power A. By the way, what is this A, B, and C? You are finding out force, right? For force, what is the dimensional formula? Mass L T to the power minus 2. So M to the power A means how much? It is 1. L to the power B means how much? It is B is also 1. Let me substitute. L1 is 1 meter. 1 meter is how many centimeters?
10 to the power 2.
So 1 centimeter, this is so many centimeters to the power 1. Why to the power 1? Your dimensional formula L is to the power 1. T 1 second, 1 second to the power minus 2. Not able to see that part of the code? No. Right? Now this is gram will get cancelled. 10 raised to 5. So many times. 1 and 1 will get cancelled. To the power minus 2 does not make sense. So 1 Newton is 10 raised to 5 times. This is what we are supposed to write as far as conversion from one unit to another unit is concerned.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Chinmay is typing. I don't think we have units and dimensions this year in HSC. So which year do you have? Second year में? ओ भाई साहब, second year में units and dimensions होगा? Oh, you people are in 12th now, right? 11th you people passed without exam.
So we given Google Forms.
ओहो, तो 11th में आपका units and dimensions हो गया.
नहीं हुआ but हो गया.
हाँ, smart guys.
किसी एक का हो गया, बाकी सब तो उससे हो.
एक जन ने पढ़ लिया और बाकी सबने आंसर लिख दिया.
चलो कम से कम एक जन तो पढ़ा. ऑप्टिमिज्म का भी अपर लिमिट है.
सर बट इट्स ऑल अभी सब्जेक्टिव है.
Now convert 1 joule into earth. 1 joule into so many earths. Will you try or should I? First of all, work done. Dimensional formula is M L T to the power minus 2 is force. This is this. So M1 to the power 1, L1 to the power 2, T1 to the power minus 2 is M2, M2 to the power 1, L2 to the power 2, T2 to the power minus 2. Now you know what is to be done. M1 is how much? M1 is 1 kg, L1 is 1 meter, T1 is 1 second. M2 is 1 gram, L2 is 1 centimeter, T2 is 1 second. Jaldi karo. N1 will be 1 joule. Find N. Oh. 1 joule is 10 raised to 7 earths. Quite a few of you directly type the answer because you know the conversion. I know that. You know the answers, so directly type कर दिया. Cheating है.
Done, sir.
This completes units and dimensions.
So you were going to do some
Practice.
revision.
Pardon?
You were going to do revision of errors and measurement, I think so.
Yes. Errors and measurements, we have to solve a few problems. First of all, was errors and measurement done for you?
So you done it in 1 or 2 class, I think.
Sir, 3 classes you took.
Yes, sir, we have done.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir.
will just brush up that in 15 minutes and a few problems on errors and measurements will have to be done.
Then both
So
of
you said that you'll do vernier caliper also.
वर्नियर कैलिपर करना है यार, वो बहुत जरूरी है. तो वर्नियर कैलिपर से ही शुरू करें नेक्स्ट क्लास.
So after that, both these chapters are what?
I have a vernier caliper. Only thing, showing the values to you is difficult.
Sir, you can
So that
show
is
it
not
on
necessary.
computer by screen sharing.
Pardon?
Sir, you can show it by screen sharing.
YouTube videos is telling.
So vernier caliper is not necessary.
Asking or telling?
Hey, when is our next lecture?
Telling.
When is the next lecture?
Next week, sir.
Next week, sir.
Next week. Let me search on YouTube if there is any proper demonstration of vernier caliper and screw gauge. There will be. I'll try to show that. If not, I'll explain. Only thing for you to see the readings will be difficult. Which line is coinciding? वो थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा आपको, concentrate करना पड़ेगा. The screen should be. दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, then we can do it. I have both vernier caliper and screw gauge with me. I'll get it done. Next class. See you people in the next class. Good day. Bye. And thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Sir.